Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Birdfy camera says the SD card isn't detected, you may not be able to save recordings even though the camera is powered on and connected to the app. Sometimes the storage menu shows no SD card or recording features become unavailable without any clear explanation. This issue is often related to the card's compatibility, installation, or file system rather than a hardware failure. Before purchasing a new memory card or resetting your camera, there are a few simple checks that can often restore normal storage detection. In this video, I'll show you several easy steps you can try. 1. Verify that the SD card meets Birdfy's supported capacity and speed requirements. 2. Inspect the SD card's metal contacts and gently remove any dust or debris. 3. Insert the card fully until it clicks securely into the slot. 4. Format the SD card using a computer with a compatible file system if it was previously used in another device. 5. Test the camera with a different compatible SD card to determine whether the original card is causing the issue.